Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by configuring Word as your design canvas so output matches your sublimation print. Set the page size to the exact transfer size and change layout margins to 0 where possible. This prevents unexpected cropping. Once done, place a 300 dpi PNG with transparency and lock aspect ratio so scaling stays accurate. Make sure grid lines and rulers are visible for precise placement, because alignment is what makes the transfer sit correctly on the substrate. You now refine the design inside Word, arranging elements with Insert Picture and setting Wrap to in front of text so you can layer freely. Once elements are placed, tweak brightness and contrast to compensate for transfer dulling, increase vibrancy, and check small details at 100% zoom. If your printer requires mirrored output for heat transfer, flip the entire group horizontally now. After grouping and final alignment, lock positions so nothing shifts during export and printing. You finish by exporting the grouped layout as a high-quality PDF or PNG so the raster stays sharp. Make sure the export settings preserve 300 dpi and do not downsample images. Print using your printer's sublimation profile and always mirror if required. Then apply the recommended heat, pressure, and time for the substrate. If a transfer shifts or colors look off, check printing profile and mirror setting first. Reprint one test sample to confirm before continuing with the full batch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.